Hi there, I'm Jules with Topcoder. You know, sometimes you're all curled up in your couch, in your PJs, sipping cocoa from your favorite mug, and you don't want to leave your comfort zone. We get that feeling. And that's why we created Topcoder X, or Topcoder External integrations, so you can work from environments you already work in and still drive productivity through the Topcoder Platform. In this video, I'll be showing you one of my favorite Topcoder integrations, our Azure DevOps extension. So here you're looking at an Azure DevOps instance, and I've installed the Topcoder X extension for Azure DevOps here. I've logged in, and you can see it gives me some default project details that I can select from for when I create work through here. Here's the Projects Listing tab that will list out all the projects that I have available to me. I can also see challenges in various states. And then I have a number of customizations for GitHub allowing for synchronization between Azure DevOps and GitHub. There's also a DLP configuration where I can set up a customized digital leak protection so none of the content from within Azure DevOps leaks sensitive information that you don't want out. But first I'm going to show you what it looks like to create work from within Azure DevOps. I'm going to pick a work item here, and as you can see, we have this Topcoder X section right here on the bottom right, and also a Topcoder X tab. The Topcoder X tab will pull the content of the work item into the details for the challenge that you want to create, including a private spec section, and allow you to set an optional prize amount. We can also select what projects we'd like this to be associated with. And then quite simply hit the Send to Topcoder button. This will actually create a challenge on the Topcoder platform. When I go back to my details section and I reload my work item, you can see that a challenge has been created and the details are there. Hitting this link will actually pop me out to Topcoder directly, and you can see my DLP test challenge right here. There's also a reference back to the work item for convenience. From here, you can also link out to direct or online review. That's how you create challenges within Topcoder X for Azure DevOps. We also can set up a synchronization between your repos inside of Azure DevOps and repos in GitHub so that your code can be shipped directly to GitHub and back. So making the process of integration from the community seamless. Thanks so much for watching.